Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Priyadashini High School. I am Mrs. Asra, your social teacher. Children, in the last classes, we have learnt about the India's freedom struggle. Okay, in that till Sepoy Mutiny and Satyagraha movement we have read. The next parts I'll explain you in the next live class. Okay, but today we are going to learn the difficult words. First one is prejudices. 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 Next one is disregarded. 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 That is prejudices बोल तो opinion that is not based on any reason. Okay, disregarded बोले तो उसको नहीं मानना. Suspicious. 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 Discontentment. 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 Confirmed. 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 Next one is offensive. 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 Next one is satyagrah. SATYA satyagrah. SATYA satya GRAH satyagrah. Next one is Christianity. 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 Non-violence. NONVIOLENCE. Non-violence. NONVIOLENCE. Non-violence. Non-violence. I repeat: prejudices, disregarded, suspicious, discontentment, confirmed. Children, sixth one is the same, so I will change that word after just now. Offensive, satyagrah, Christianity, non-violence. Got it? Hope all are repeating after me, children. Yes, good. Children, all of you repeat after me, okay? So next one is empowerment. EMPOWER. Empower. MENT. Empowerment. Next one is independence. 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 Next one is succeeded. 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 All are repeating? Yes, succeeded. Next one is prime minister. PRIME. Prime. MINISTER. Prime minister. Next is activist. 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 Next one is country. 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 Next is reforms. 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 Next one is socio-religious. SOCIO. Socio. RELIGIOUS. Socio-religious. Next one is caste system. CASTE. Caste. Caste system. CASTE. Caste. SYSTEM. Caste system. Next one is freedom fighter. FREEDOM. Freedom. FIGHTER. Freedom fighter. Freedom fighter. I repeat: empowerment, independence, succeeded, prime minister, activist, country, reforms, socio-religious, caste system, freedom fighter. Got it, everybody? Repeating after me. Hope you all are understanding whatever I am reading. Okay. Next, choose the correct answers, children. In dash, the Sepoy Mutiny took place. Which year did the Sepoy Mutiny took place? Okay. Next one is the Satyagraha was started by dash. By Jawaharlal Nehru or by Mahatma Gandhi. You can listen to my lecture also, you will understand. The Satyagraha was started by, the explanation what I did. Who started the Satyagraha movement? Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru or Mahatma Gandhi. The next one is India became an independent nation. When did India get its independence? In 1947 or 1950? Okay, you have to write that. Then the next one is the dash was fought in 1757. What was fought in 1757? Sepoy Mutiny or Battle of Plassey? Okay. Then the first Prime Minister of independent India was. Who was the first Prime Minister? Was he Jawaharlal Nehru or Mahatma Gandhi? Okay, you have to write it. It was Jawaharlal Nehru. The dash was fought in 1757. It was Battle of Plassey. Okay, children, you all have to write this in your classwork books. Difficult words, write 5 times and choose the correct answer only 1 time and learn for it. Be ready for dictation.